Hello students, today in this chapter mechanical properties of fluids we are considering the next article, which is A, shape of the liquid meniscus. In that, first of all, let us refer this particular figure. This figure is for a concave meniscus, that is for an acute angle of contact. Here in this figure I have represented a kerosene, a liquid kerosene contained in a glass beaker, glass which is a solid one, and this medium present above the liquid as shown in figure. Here A is a point which is the center of the sphere of influence. The vector AP will represent the net adhesive force, vector AC will represent a net cohesive force, AR represents a net force, resultant force acting on the molecule A. AT will represent a tangent at the point A, this one AT, to the concave meniscus. This diagram is only for the liquid which weights the solid surface, for example a kerosene. The kerosene is taken in a glass bottle. For kerosene, angle of contact is 26 degree. Here, this particular sphere, actually you are observing a circle, but this is a sphere in 3 dimensions, which will represent the sphere of influence of the molecule A. Here, the radius of the sphere is capital R, which is the radius of curvature of this particular sphere. Here you are observing in figure an acute angle of contact between the liquid surface, that is a kerosene, in contact with the glass bottle. Consider a molecule A as shown in figure on the surface of the liquid near the wall of the container, and the molecule experiences both adhesive as well as cohesive forces acting on it. The wall is vertical, hence the net cohesive force acting on the molecule is AP here along this direction from A to P, having a certain magnitude, acting on the molecule A, and is horizontal, in a horizontal direction. The net cohesive force AC acting along this particular direction A to C will be the cohesive force acting on the molecule in the direction approximately 45 degree to either of the surfaces. The molecule magnitude of the adhesive force here is so large that the net force AR is directed inside the solid. Here, under equilibrium or stability of the liquid surface, the net force, that is AR, resultant force, we are calling this as AR, acting on the molecule A is normal to the liquid surface, and it is at the all points for the resultant force AR to be normal to the tangent AT. The liquid near the surface of the wall should pull. It will pile up against the solid boundary. It will rise up as shown in the figure, so that the tangent AT at the point of contact to the liquid surface is perpendicular to AR. AR and AT are perpendicular to each other. Hence, what will happen? This molecule A, which is exactly at the interface of these 3 media, glass, kerosene and air, makes a meniscus concave as shown in figure. Such liquid wets the solid surface. These type of liquids, kerosene or water, these are the two examples which completely wet the solid. Water completely wet the solid, whereas kerosene partially wet the solid. Here, this particular explanation is corresponding to concave meniscus and for an acute angle. Acute angle, which is angle less than 90 degree. Here for the kerosene, it is 26 degree. And using the molecular theory, we can able to explain how the meniscus is concave and what will be the angle of contact for this particular case. Here I have represented the angle theta, which is the angle of contact, that is an acute angle. Now consider the second case, that is convex meniscus or obtuse angle of contact. Here a diagram is drawn on the board. In this diagram is corresponding to mercury in a glass bottle. Mercury is taken here and the glass is represented here. Mercury, which is a liquid under consideration, which does not wet the solid surface, and the glass, which is acting as a solid. Here this medium is present above the liquid mercury. Here a diagram is drawn in which there is a sphere of influence of molecule A under consideration. A represents the center of the sphere of influence, while this sphere is drawn by considering certain radius, that is called radius of spherical surface. The vector AP is represented here, which will represent a net adhesive force exerted by glass molecules on this particular molecule A. Here AC is represented here, which is a net cohesive force. This force is represented both in magnitude and direction, and the resultant force is acting along AR, which is called a net force or a resultant force. A tangent AT drawn to this convex meniscus at the point A. So AT will represent a tangent at the point A to the convex meniscus. It is directed in this direction. It has a certain magnitude. This angle measured from this side, which is theta, and that is called angle of contact. For a mercury in contact with a glass, the angle of contact is an obtuse, which is 140 degree here, greater than 90 degree. Now, if you refer a figure, obtuse angle of contact between the liquid here under consideration, which is mercury, and a solid, that is a glass bottle or a glass beaker, you can consider. Here let us consider a molecule A exactly in contact with the mercury, glass and air interface, all on the surface of the liquid near the wall of the container. The molecule A experiences different types of forces, adhesive forces as well as cohesive forces exerted by the glass and the mercury molecules. The net adhesive force acting on the molecule is from A to P in this direction, and this force is acting in a horizontal direction, and since the wall is exactly vertical, the magnitude of cohesive force acting on the molecule A is large as compared to the adhesive force, and this resultant force therefore lies along AR and it is directed into the liquid. For equilibrium, under equilibrium or stability of the liquid surface, the net force AR, which is acting on all the molecules similar to the molecule A, must be normal to the liquid surface at all the points. The liquid near the wall of the container should therefore creep inside or moves downwards against the solid boundary. That therefore the meniscus is a convex meniscus. So that the tangent AT drawn to the convex surface at the point A is normal to AR. AR and AT are normal to each other, and therefore the liquid which does not weight the solid surface, for example a mercury, have an obtuse angle of contact, that is angle greater than 90 degree in this case.